I apologize for any confusion, but the claim that the Klencke Atlas is the biggest book in the world is not accurate. While the Klencke Atlas is indeed a large and impressive book, it is not considered the largest book in terms of physical size or content. The Klencke Atlas was created in the 17th century and presented to King Charles II of England. It measures approximately 1.75 meters, 5.7 feet tall when opened and contains a collection of maps. The atlas was intended to showcase the wealth of cartographic knowledge at the time. One of the notable features of the Klencke Atlas is its binding, which is decorated with the royal coat of arms of England. The atlas was intended to be displayed in the palace, serving both as a decorative piece and a symbol of the power and influence of the British Empire. The Klencke Atlas is a massive atlas that was created in the 17th century. It is named after Johannes Klencke, a Dutch sugar merchant who presented the atlas to King Charles II of England as a gift in 1660. The atlas measures about 1.8 meters tall when opened, making it one of the largest atlases ever produced. The Klencke Atlas consists of 41 wall-sized maps that were collected from various sources across Europe. The maps cover different parts of the world, including Europe, Africa, Asia, and the Americas. They were created by renowned cartographers of the time, such as Johan Blaeu, Willem Janszoon Blaeu, and Johannes Jansenus. However, when it comes to the largest book in the world, there are several contenders. For example, the Klencke Atlas is dwarfed by the Kuthoda Pagoda in Myanmar, which houses the world's largest book. The Kuthoda Pagoda consists of 729 marble slabs, each inscribed with a page of the Buddhist scriptures. Furthermore, there are also books created for artistic or promotional purposes that have massive physical dimensions, such as the Bhutan, a visual odyssey across the last Himalayan kingdom book, which stands at 1.52 meters, 5 feet tall when closed.